considering what happened with the FUD, with the Gala games suing each other, the co-founders suing each other, it seems that the press of Gala is holding pretty well. Is this just FUD for whales to get in at an earlier entry, or is this essentially really happening? Now, we know what happens with when a company steals something or anything is involved with theft or anything like that, things usually end up in a disaster. Look what happened with FTX, look what happened with Luna, look what happened with Celsius, look what happened with Voyager. I can name countless of companies that every time they were involved with any weird activities or sketchy activities behind, obviously things got worse and worse and worse and worse. So Gala Games right here, co-founders sue each other alleging in corporate ways, $130 million in theft. The co-founder and Gala Games are at loggerheads with rival lawsuits accusing each other of theft or corporate ways that cost the company a 9-digit summit. Okay, 9 digits, yes, $130 million. So that's pretty bearish for Gala Games. I mean, we did see Gala Game come all the way down to 0.015, and it did essentially pretty much do some sort of double bottom. I mean, if we have a look right here at the last year, we could see that this was a support at 0.016, and it did reach that area right here. And the big question is will Gala Games essentially continue to fall, or will it essentially recover? So we could see right here the markup of Gala is still sitting at $417 million. Okay, so almost at $500 million. The fully diluted is 805 million. 24-hour volume, trading volume is $667 million. Okay, that is quite surprising. I mean, the fact that the 24-hour trading volume is that high is honestly shocking. I was not expecting to see that, but the fact that it's that high, obviously you got a lot of traders trading this, right? You could see that the market cap also is looking not so great right here. We did have this nice little spike. That's of course after Gala V2 came out, and of course that's when they added the circling supply. The circling supply is also increasing drastically. I mean, the circling supply at one point was 7 billion, now it's 25 billion 908, and this thing keeps on increasing. So not so bullish right there. Obviously, this is a pretty hyperinflation token in my opinion. I'm gonna wait for Gala Games to go down to $417 million, and that, I mean, to go down to at least $220 million from 417, which would be approximately 50% dump. So we're gonna have to see what happens here with Gala Games. Obviously, Gala is pretty big. I mean, it's not Gala Games anymore. They have Gala Music, they have Gala Movies, and we know that the entertainment is 5 times bigger than the movie industry, the gaming industry. Sorry, we know that the gaming industry is 5 times bigger than the movie industry, which is obviously pretty bullish. And they have, of course, their own layer 1. They have a bunch of games coming out and games that you could play. So obviously pretty bullish on Gala in terms of that. But in terms of the news, not so bullish, and things are not looking so great. So we're gonna have to see what happens with Gala in the near future. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe